Okay, y'all, welcome back to my channel. I already did my eyebrows and I already primed my face with the Milk of Magnesia, so I'm just kind of really letting it sit and dry for a little bit. It literally took me a very long time to get this camera set up. Oh my gosh, I got almost so impatient. So of course we're about to go in with the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop. This has probably become my favorite foundation right now. So now I'm about to take my Morphe Beauty Blender and just put this all over my face. So now I'm just about to go in with my Revolution concealer, and these are pretty much the same products that I used in my previous videos. I will still list them in the description box below. Okay, so now we're going to go in with that same beauty blender that we used to put our foundation on, and we're just going to take the opposite end and then we're going to start blending the edges out first. And then of course you want to make sure before you put on your setting powder that you don't have any creases underneath your eye. In with our L'Oreal True Match Powder Foundation, and we're just going to put that all over our face wherever we did not put the setting powder. Okay, y'all, so now I'm about to just take the same brush that I used for my powder foundation and just sweep off the setting powder that I had. And now I'm going to use my Kat Von D powder foundation. So now I feel like we are pretty much done, but now I'm about to just take a blending brush and make sure that I have my contour and everything blended together. So now that we're done, we're going to take our Maybelline setting spray, and I'm going to use the matte one again, and then we're just going to spray our full face. So now I'm going to take my Wet n Wild eyeliner that I used last time, and we're going to do a wing eyeliner. So now we're going to take our mascara and we're going to put on our mascara before we put on our lashes. Okay, so I'm going to go in with, I guess it's Raylet Amore Cosmetics. Hopefully I'm not saying it wrong. I don't really know. I'm still gonna put the link in the description box or whatever, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna go in with these lashes right here. I don't know the name of them, but I can figure it out for you guys. And I really couldn't decide if I want to go in with these or these. These are so cute. So while our lashes dry, we're just going to go in with our highlight. So y'all, I'm about to go in with the other lashes because those lashes were like super full. Okay, y'all, finally got my lashes on. Oh my god. So I do like these lashes better than the other ones. These are still kind of full, but the other ones I felt like was really full. So I went in with these. Okay, so now we're going to just take our mascara and we're going to put some mascara on our bottom eyelashes. Look like I have on really thick lashes. Oh my god. Okay, so now we're gonna go back in with that highlight, and we're just about to take a little bit on a brush, and then we're gonna put that in the corner of our eyes. So I didn't feel like the Wet n Wild highlight showed up much as I wanted it to. So I'm about to go in with my Juvia's Place, I believe it's called the Nomad palette, and I'm just about to take that gold and I'm going to use that one instead. is the same lip liner that I used last time, the Cork Lip Liner from MAC. And now I'm about to go in with my Forever Matte by Ruby Kiss, and this is a liquid lipstick. So now I'm going to go back in with that lip liner and just pretty much outline my lips again.